Your plant looks fine, but deep inside the soil, it might be struggling to breathe. Sprinkle this once and you'll feel the change almost immediately. What if I told you plants don't just need nutrients, they need clean, living soil? In nature, after forest fires, plants grow back stronger than ever. One quiet reason is charcoal left in the ground. Take a few small pieces of charcoal, plain, untreated charcoal only. Drop them into 1 liter of clean water. As the charcoal sits in water, it begins to absorb toxins, excess salts, and impurities. This creates cleaner water for roots and reduces soil stress. Charcoal also releases trace minerals and supports beneficial microbes that help roots grow stronger and healthier. Let it rest for 30 to 60 minutes. No grinding, no mixing, small pieces are enough. Now, gently pour this water directly at the roots of your plant. As it enters the soil, the charcoal-infused water helps improve drainage, prevent root rot, and increase oxygen around the roots. This allows plants to absorb nutrients more efficiently and respond faster. Use this once every 15 to 20 days. One application is enough to refresh tired soil. You won't see instant drama, but within days, leaves look fresher, stems feel firmer, and new growth starts quietly. Sometimes plants don't need more feeding. They just need space to breathe.